Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to show you the baby blanket that I'm working on that matches, or better yet, that the burp pad matches, or the burp cloth. Okay, let me take you over here to the table. Okay, here is what I'm doing. Now, this isn't the layout, this is the fabric. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing. So the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star fabric is too narrow. It's only this wide times 2 because I've got it folded. I've got it folded over here. The length is okay because I folded it, but it's not wide enough. So I'm going to put this white eyelet on the right and the left hand side of it, and then I'm going to be putting these birds on it, and I'm going to put a flower. Let me pull this up a little bit here on the side. So this is just giving you an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and this has, these wings have fusible webbing on them. They're double-sided just like before. So I'm going to put them on here. I'm going to lay it out and attach all this. Once I get it laid out on the table and I've got it set up and ironed, then I'm going to show it to you. And I'm going to probably string, I'm thinking about this, I'm going to be stringing this right here, which I bought because it's all multicolors, which I think would look real pretty on a baby blanket. And I'll probably lay this this rickrack across it as if it's a wash line or a wire or whatever, and then put the birds on it. And I'll put a couple of these across it. But like I said, I just wanted to give you an idea of what I'm doing here. Off to the side. I'm not going to be teaching this now. I'm going to be making this, and then I will show you as I progress along. All right, that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.